Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows PowerShell in Windows 10. Click search bar and type Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Click Programs. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down the mouse. Uncheck PowerShell. PowerShell feature is disabled. Next method is enable the PowerShell. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down the mouse, find the PowerShell. Check the Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell is enabled. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.